go. Got your plugs. Screws.
Where's the bracket?
This was 8 weeks ago, he wouldn't have had a clue what he was doing.
No.
Pretty. Oh, he's with sunglasses on his fucking.
The installation of the boomerang being fitted to the bracket.
Yeah, it's bloody well up there, son.
Blazing now. Did you bring the coax with you?
Yeah, okay.
Short of this, it's 19 degrees.
19 for a little one in a minute. So there we've got the bracket and part of the boomerang, the base of the boomerang. And this is aerial number 3 going up, pretty much, isn't it?
Number 3. Homemade TK bracket.
If you need any aerials antennae being put up, we are the man to do it.
Reliable to trust. 3, so I mean hopefully 3 should be okay.
All homemade jobs.
Got your plugs. Screws.
Good. A bit done. The Sirio whip, made in Italy. And that is going to go up there, facing west.
Well, the bottom bit will, right?
Yeah. That bottom bit in the front of them.
Next one.
Cool. All right, next one going up. Let's just turn it the right way around. There you go. Bit of a stretch. Oh. Keep that still.
Bit reflexing that.
Yeah.
I can't keep it still.
You on the thread?
I'm on it, but
Yep. I'd say now we've gone a little bit to, just a bit more to the left from the base. So Oh, that do, yeah, that's perfect. Up. Right up, let it settle. Ever so slightly now to the right. Right, let it settle. That's looking good to me. Yeah, I'd say that's perfect. Come down, have a look, see what you think. What's that? Can you bring no electric screwdriver or?
No.
Ah, right. Have you got an electric one, Dave?
Yeah, I've got a little charge at the moment. It might just do the 3 screws when it's going.
Well, these are going in tight, which is what you want.
I just end up with blisters on your hand.
It was on eBay, it was using,
Right in it.
one
Clean it up.
Using the tip to smooth it off. And it obviously dries quick then, and
Oh, it dries very quick.
yeah.
It's gone up
And that's with a little portable gas solder iron.
Gas solder iron, must have been about $7.99 from Aldi. Little Ferrex. Make, you got to be careful to not touch it.
When I cook the chicken, I put that in there, and I've done the onions. I do a lot of Chinese. I slice them long ways, loaded. I boil them for about 5 minutes, then I'll put them in there, mix it all up. Actually,
We had a nice one there.
Simon, and Simon, Ricky talking about that come out really nice.
Aldi, they do some really decent jars of curry sauce, and on the top of the curry sauce jar you get like the powder stuff. They're very, very good, very good.
I mean, I'll go in there and I think Rogan Josh, Madras, what's the other one?
Rogan, Josh, Madras,
Sometimes
Boona, you got Boona,
sometimes it's, or you can get one with butter sauce. And
butter chicken tikka.
Sometimes it's all a bit too fucking much because there ain't a lot of difference in the taste.
I like the tomatoey ones, like the Boonas, the Madras. I like the tomato-based curries.
You get the Thai one, can't you? The green one. Thai.
What's that, like a cleaner thing?
Cleans it off, yeah. The excess.
Yeah, no, I tend to go for more the onion ones, onion and tomato ones.
I mean, I like onions. I do it here. I get a couple of large onions. I just love onions.
Yeah.
As I'm cutting them, I'll eat them.
Pop there.
You're starting again. That's still on there. Is that still on there?
Yeah, I'm just.
So let's try that one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we with the?
I have to switch it on. It does all come on as it should.
So you got that.
You're live and you're earth.
Good.
Let's see what swar. What's the first swar going to be?
1.1.
Yeah.
I bet you do as well.
And the 40.
Oh, we're getting a nice. It's moving. It's working.
Just over the 2 on the 40. And the 1 you're 1.4. 1.4. 1.4 on the 1.
1.4 on the 1. And what's it on 20?
6, 7, 8, 1, 8. Right, then you come down significantly. So what I'll do, I'll have to come down there a few times. So yeah, if you it's over 6.5 watts.
Over 6.5.
127, 129.
And that's without the amp. So
That's without the amp. Well, I've talked this up a little bit.
Oh, right.
And the 40. Oh, 142.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Still no beeping. 6.5, over 6.5 watts as well.
Nice green light, yeah.
143. And the 1. Oh.
1.5. Just over, yeah, well, that's better. Literally.
That's alright.
It's not bad though, at all.
So that was on the depot. 151. So 40, then 4, 2.
So you get over 6 watts there.
Well, like I said, Dad, I might have to turn that down a bit, so it's not much difference between it, really. It's good.
That's some good swearing up.
20 is hardly fuck all, look.
Yeah.
A little bit, but
That's amazing, isn't it? I mean, that is.
I'm just
not
slide
even
up down a
moving.
bit. So, yeah,
It's not even.
that's where you want it.
Yeah.
It's kind of what you want to see across the 40. Let's have a look at the power. Into the 6 watts.
6 watts. So that's right as well. That's correct.
I mean, I have turned this up a little bit. Just over the 4. And into the nearly 6.5 watts there. 8 watts nearly on that. But like I say, it's not bang on correct, but no meter is, that's the thing. But no, I mean, you're well within tolerance. 6 watts on channel 20.
That the unit I've got is obviously pumping at 4 watts, but well, just over 4 watts. But I can up that to 8 watts. I can double it just by opening it up and moving a little jumper switch.
Ooh. So you've got nothing really. You always kind of go off at 20.
Ringo.
Yes, mate. He's going under the name of Ringo. Ringo Leytonstone, over. I've also got CB27 with me, over.
DB27, yeah, we spoke. I forgot what to say. I think Chris, I'm not sure. But I know DB27's been on there loads of times since I was back on regular. So those calling themselves Ringo of Leighton, yeah? Those.
Yeah, Ringo Leytonstone and CB27, the personal of Simon. I'm Terry Rumford, like I say, currently in Leytonstone, having a little play about. So yeah, we'll get back to you, maybe tonight, yeah?
Yeah, lovely there, Terry. So there's a lot of people coming in there all of a sudden. Well, I know you're out there, Rob. There was another breakthrough we've got.
How cool was that?
Highgate, so work out Highgate.
So there's the boomerang, just under the gutter of the roof, and we've just got out as far as Highgate,
So
10 miles away.